Christmas is coming up and we've been working on some healthier versions of some of our favorite classic Christmas dishes. Today I'm going to show you a sticky date pudding that's gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free, perfect to serve for your dessert this Christmas. I'm going to use the Vibe blender today to mix up my batter, and then I'm going to bake my puddings in a mini bundt tin. But you could use a muffin tray if you like, or just some ramekins. This recipe will make about 6 mini puddings. To start our recipe, I've got 200 grams of pitted dates sitting in 3/4 of a cup of boiling water. Give it about 10 minutes to soak, and then you can add it straight to your blender jug. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1.5 cups of almond meal, 1/4 cup of tapioca flour. Now we've got 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. We'll go in now with 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can blend this now on smoothie mode for about 30 seconds or until the batter is really nice and smooth. Before you pour your batter in, make sure your tin or your ramekins are really well greased. I'm going to use some coconut oil today. You could use butter if you like. So the batter's nice and smooth now. After just 30 seconds, I'm going to pour it into my tin about 3/4 of the way up. Once you've filled the tray, just give it a bit of a bang or a shake up to make it nice and even. Then you can pop them into an oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. It's going to take about 25 to 30 minutes. While these are in the oven, we're going to make our dairy-free caramel sauce to serve these up with. There's a more traditional butterscotch recipe up on the blog now, so check that one out if you're interested. This dairy-free caramel sauce couldn't be easier. 2 ingredients straight into a small pot. I've got 1/3 cup of coconut sugar and 1 cup of canned coconut cream. Try and leave behind as much of the water as possible. Bring it all up to a simmer. It'll take up to 15 minutes to get nice and thick. Make sure you continuously stir that one so it doesn't burn. So these are all done now after about 25 minutes in the oven. I'm going to let them cool down for about 10 minutes before I pop them out and serve them up with our caramel sauce. I'm also going to serve these up today with a little bit of homemade cultured cream, which I've really gently whipped up with some coconut sugar and vanilla extract. We've got a video for that one as well, so give that a go if you're not strictly dairy free. It's also a great way to get some probiotics in even at dessert time. If you are needing to stay dairy free, then these ones are really nice with a little bit of something like coconut ice cream. Now's the fun part. Let's plate these ones up. I'm going to use a shallow bowl today. You could use a plate if you like, and then we can spoon over some of the sauce. And now for some of our whipped cultured cream, just a nice dollop right on top. So there you go, Christmas dessert is all sorted this year. Give this one a go at home and let us know how you like it in the comments below. As always, hit subscribe below if you haven't already and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. We hope you're having an awesome Christmas season. We look forward to seeing you again next week.